Alright. So why do women around the bumbleclad world love bumbleclad Jamaican man so? Because we bumbleclad real. And we bumbleclad we give a bumbleclad good fuck. And we bumbleclad the rampant bumbleclad woman in a bed. And we are bumbleclad real man. And it coming like a hardly have any bumbleclad real man around the bumbleclad world anymore. So more and more bumbleclad women are gravitate to bumbleclad Jamaican men. And them love a bumbleclad accent. So if you want a real bumbleclad Jamaican man, the first thing you have to do is book your bumbleclad trip come a bumbleclad Jamaica. And don't stay locked up in the bumbleclad hotel either. You have to come out in the bumbleclad streets. In the real Jamaica, the bumbleclad real party them. In the bumbleclad real environment. And you will bumbleclad meet your bumbleclad man and your bumbleclad dreams. And Jamaican man will bumbleclad will tell you about your bumbleclad when your bumbleclad fucking a bumbleclad round. We will raise with bumbleclad children them properly. Our bumbleclad take care of business at home. And when I ram for me bumbleclad money, because we are hard bumbleclad working men. You see a bumbleclad Jamaica, we have the best of every bumbleclad thing. So if you burn bumbleclad weed, we have the bumbleclad best weed. If you want bumbleclad rum, we have the bumbleclad best fucking bumbleclad rum you will ever taste. If you want bumbleclad food, we have the best bumbleclad food in the best bumbleclad world. If you want the best bumbleclad sex that you ever bumbleclad have, you have to come to bumbleclad Jamaica and find a bumbleclad Jamaican man. If you want to have a happy bumbleclad life, it's the right as a bumbleclad Jamaica again. So, go online, book your bumbleclad trip today. And as me said, don't stay locked up in the bumbleclad hotel. Find yourself out in the bumbleclad streets. And make bumbleclad friends with bumbleclad Jamaicans. And you have a bumbleclad beautiful life.